Today we are going to start with our first lesson of our English subject. But before we begin, I have a picture for you all. Just look at this picture. These animals are put into cage. What did you infer after seeing all these pictures? Yes, it's cruelty done to animals. We should not be doing all these things. They have been created by God and we are doing such a wrong thing with them. So, we should always take good care of them. Now, today's lesson, The Bell of Atri, is also based on this. Atri is the name of small town in Italy. Many tourists go to Italy to see the bell. But have you ever imagined why do they go to see the bell? It has a strange story to tell. Now, I will give short summary of each page so that you will understand more clearly. Long ago in Italy, there was a king whose name was King John. He was well known for his goodness. He always believed in justice. So, he purchased a great bell to hang in a tower in the town square. The king called all the people together to the square to explain the purpose of the bell in Atri. He announced, "People, this is your bell." People got cheered, means people got very happy to hear this. He said, "Listen carefully. You must ring this bell whenever something wrong is done to a person. Our judges will gather to hear the case or complaint." For many years, this plan of ringing bell worked perfectly. Whenever judges heard the bell, they gathered in the square to hear the problem. Then they quickly punished those who have done something wrong. After a while, whenever people thought of doing wrong, they would think of the sound of the bell and change their mind. So the bell rang less and less and people become more honest, truthful and kind. Because of this, the bell got rusted and ragged. It became very old. So, one day judge called one of the town workers and said to bring a long grapevine to tie to the bell so that it can be rung once again. At this time in Atri, there lived a soldier. He had been a great soldier and well known for his bravery and adventures. But he had grown very lazy. All day he just sat and counted his gold coins. He had an old faithful horse. Faithful here means a loyal horse. They had shared many adventures, but now he did not take good care of the horse. The poor horse looked so thin and sad. Soldier thought, "Why should I feed him all the time?" Now, what happened to the poor horse? And where did he go? We will continue in the next video to know about this.